Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That is the 1st of April 2019 at 8 PM at British Summer Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and also the samples that I have made. So first of all, this is the Plushies Down Under set. I absolutely love this set, it's so cute. So you've got the koala there, the platypus, the kiwi bird, the kangaroo, the Sydney Harbour skyline, you've got some leaves there, the Australian hat, you've got a branch there or a little tree, maybe as eucalyptus, you've got the barbecue there, you've got a balloon, a little bow or a bow tie and a party hat, which is really good, so you can sort of mix and match, have them at a party if you wanted to. And then you've got some great sentiments. You've got "You are a quality friend," "Cheers to you," "Good day mate," "Cheers," "Barbecue," and then "Good day mate" again in a different font. And there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. This is the card that I made using that set, even though in real life kangaroos probably don't hang out at the Sydney Harbour, but I thought it would look quite cute nonetheless. So I stamped out the kangaroo there, coloured him with Copic markers, and then I fussy cut around to kind of have him as one whole panel. And then I did some ink blending in the background, stamped out the Sydney Harbour skyline, kept that in kind of like a silhouette form. I thought that would look quite nice with the sunset in the background, and then heat embossed the sentiment there at the top. And next up is the Say It With Banners set. So you've got loads of great sentiments in here with these large banner images. So you've got "Have a fabulous birthday," "Thank you so very much," "On your wedding day," "Huge congratulations," "Have a Merry Christmas," "Have a truly magical day," "Hope you feel better soon," and "May all your dreams come true." And then you've got some stitching lines there as well, which you could add onto the sides of the banner to make it maybe look more like ribbon. That would look quite good. And there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set, and it cuts out the banner image. Next up is the Dragon Plushie set, another one of my favourites this month. Again, it's absolutely adorable. So you've got all of these different dragons here in their different poses. You've got some flames there that they can have coming out their mouths, or do they come out their noses? I'm not 100% sure with dragons actually. And then you've got some stones there at the bottom you can make some scenes with. You've got the birthday cake, and then you've got some clouds there with the sun in the background. You've got some great sentiments. You've got "Have a magical day," "Hip hip hooray," "Wish big," "Fly roar high soar," and "Dream big." And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. This is the card that I made using this set. I thought it'd look quite cute having the dragon flying above the clouds with a night sky in the background. So I did some ink blending, splattered on some white paint and some sort of sparkly paint, you know, like shimmer spray as well. And then I cut out, obviously stamped, cut out the images, coloured them with Copic markers. I thought it'd look quite good with the dragon blowing out the candles on his birthday cake. And then the sentiment there at the top is from a newer set. It isn't actually part of this release. This is the Small Saying set, and it has been released, it's in the shop, but it wasn't part of an actual release, if that makes sense, so it went straight to the shop. So I thought I would just share it with you anyway. It's a really amazing set. I absolutely love it. It's got tiny little sentiments in it, as you can see, but they range from everything you could possibly ever need to stamp a sentiment on your card. There's so many different greetings all year round in this set, and like I said, it's a really small little font, and I personally really love those kind of sets because you can use them for loads of different designs of cards. So I just thought I'd share that with you as well. Next up is the My Favourite Food set. Again, a really great set. So you've got the dog there, the monkey and the mouse as individual images. You've got the bone, the banana and the cheese. And then you've got these critters with their piles of food. So you've got the mouse there on the pile of cheese. You've got the dog there on the pile of bones, and then the monkey there on the pile of bananas. Just a really fun set. You've got some great sentiments. There's "Hope your birthday is full of all the things you love," "Nom nom," "Say cheese," "Oh yummy," and "Here's a cheesy card just for you." Really fun set. And there is again a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. And I did make a card using that set, but I'm just going to share the next set with you because I used them both on the same card. This is the Seen It More set. I absolutely love these kind of sets from Clearly Besotted because you can make amazing scenes with it really, really easily. No masking or anything like that. Well, you could still do masking, but you know what I mean. It's not like you have to stamp each tree separately. So you've got all of these different scenes here. You've got the beach one there at the top with the sea and the sand and the palm trees. You've got the houses there. You have the wooded area or a park, and you've got some hills there as well. You've got the sentiments: have a really great summer, life's a beach, and new home. Obviously you could use these with loads of different critters, but I think you could use them on their own as well. Do some nice colouring with just a sentiment, especially this one would be really nice for a new home card. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with the set, and it literally just cuts out the top layer of all of the scenes, so the bottom is still intact, which is really nice. You can do some layering and things like that with it. So this is the card that I made using both of those sets. I stamped out the trees, cut them out with a heart just to have a sort of a different layer on a card, and I thought it would look quite nice, is like the dog being in a park and he's having a great day with his bone there. And the sentiment there is from the Simple Script set, which was released last month. Next up is the Bitty Banners set. So along the same lines as the other set, but this one has smaller banners in it. So this is the the sentiments say: just married, Father's Day, thank you, Mother's Day, with love, congrats, good luck, Easter, birthday, be mine, Christmas, retirement, new baby, feel better, Halloween, just a note. And then you've got the accompanying sentiments. You have merry, soon, blessings, very much, wishes, love you, from me to you, congratulations, and happy. So you can mix and match those different sentiments. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately, and it cuts out the smaller of the banner images. Next up, one of the smaller sets. This is the Fly With Me set. So you've got the plane there and then the banner that can hang off the end of the plane. You've got a little star. And then you've got the boy and the girl that can be sitting in the plane. You've got the sentiments here that sort of match the line of the banner. So you have: you are truly the best, have a wonderful day, thank you very much, happy birthday to you. And then the other sentiments are: hope you have a really great time, fly high, we'll miss you, and hello. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately that coordinates with this set. This is the card that I made using that set. I kept it very, very simple, as you can see. Stamped out the plane, added the banner onto the back with the sentiment in it, added the little girl inside, and I fussy cut that out, but like I said, there are coordinating dies if you wanted to get those. And then I just did some simple ink blending in the background with some clouds. And last but not least, this is the Picture It Fairy set, another great background set, as you can see. So you've got the hills there with the path and the bushes going up to the castle with the lovely rainbow behind the castle. I think this would look really great with little critters or princess images or anything like that, but you could definitely use it on its own as well. The sentiments read: may all your dreams come true, my little prince and princess. And again, there is a die set that you can purchase separately, and it cuts out the top layer of the image, just like the Seen It More ones, and so you can keep the bottom layer intact if you wanted to. So that was a look at the new release from Clearly Besotted for April 2019. I would love to hear your thoughts on the release. All of the products will be listed in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.